Okay, sorry for the mishap on number 5 during the screencast today. So if I take a look in here on number 5, it's linear, so f of x equals mx plus b. So f prime of x equals m, and f double prime of x equals 0. Alright, so I'm looking at the integral from a to b of f double prime of x dx. Alright, which is really like a 0 or an integral from a to b of 0 dx. Alright, now that 0, if I take the antiderivative, that's going to go to a constant. And technically, it really doesn't matter if you think of it as 0 plus c, 1 plus c, 2 plus c. Either way, it's going to boil down to just a constant. And I'm evaluating it from a to b. Alright, so if I plug in a b and I take constant, because there's no x in that, so I'm not plugging the b in anywhere, minus, then I plug in the a, that's constant again. Alright, if I take constant minus constant, that's going to be 0. So the correct answer on this one was A. Sorry for that. I didn't mean to make that more confusing than it needed to be. But again, the antiderivative of 0 is just c, a constant. And then when we plug in our bounds, that constant doesn't adjust. So we got c minus c, which gives us 0. Alright, I hope that helps. Sorry again.